Okay, we're on the joust. Mine is blue. And I have a red sword, a red shield, I have everything to protect me. So yeah.
Got it.
Yep. So yeah, you're gonna see how the joust goes. Here we go. I named mine Buttercup. So there's some horses. Hi horses. So we are going around this village. That guy right there, that Lego guy, he's on that horse. He's gonna say something. Yeah. Oh, poor thing. There's bees attacking him. Here you go. He took off his helmet. Knights never take off their helmets. Hello. Oh, look at him. I don't think his arm was supposed to be just like that. Yeah, so there's sensors, so it senses the horse, and then it noticed that if there's somebody coming.
Oh, if the sun was in my eyes, I'd have got you that time.
Yeah, see, he talks. He says something from the sensors, and there's a camera right coming up. Hi. And here comes another sensor thing. So there's another sensor. Just we're heading slow. So there, you can see the sensors. Let's open it wide. Yep, I made it. Bad. We're heading slowly. So we made it back to the station. Bye.